The key to convenience. Who needs a key fob? Use your smartphone instead to lock, unlock, and start your Mini with the optional Comfort Access and the Mini Digital Key Plus. You don't even need to take out your smartphone, thanks to ultra-wideband technology. To set this up, you need both key fobs in the car. Do not use the start-stop switch. Open the Mini app with your linked vehicle. Go to Digital Key and follow the setup instructions. Setup complete. You get notified in the app as well as in the car. The digital key will also be added to your Google Wallet automatically. Now you can enter and start your Mini with your smartphone. Car sharing the smart way. Share your digital key with friends and family via the Google Wallet app on your smartphone. For added security, send your friend the shown activation code via a different messaging channel. If your smartphone is not equipped with the ultra-wideband technology, to unlock or lock your car, hold the smartphone to the door handle. Place it in the wireless charging tray to start your Mini. The same works if your smartphone with equipped ultra-wideband technology runs out of battery. Check out our other how-to video about the Digital Key Plus for iPhone and continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your Mini.